Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your iPhone contacts with your Gmail account. First, make sure your iPhone has an active internet connection. Then, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down a bit and tap on Contacts. From there, you will need to select Accounts to begin managing your connected services. This is the first crucial step in the process. Now, let's add your Gmail account. Tap on Add Account and then select Google from the list of options. You will then be prompted to enter your Gmail address and password. After successful login, you must grant the necessary permissions for your iPhone to access your contacts. Crucially, ensure the Contacts toggle is switched to the On position. To verify the sync, open your Contacts app and look for your Gmail contacts. If they are not immediately visible, go back to Settings, then Contacts, and tap Default Account. Here, select your Gmail account as the default for any new contacts you create. Remember, the initial synchronization might take a few minutes, especially if you have many contacts. If you encounter any issues, first double-check your internet connection. Also, ensure that Contacts synchronization is enabled within your Gmail settings on the web. If problems persist after reviewing all settings, try restarting your iPhone. Finally, always keep your iPhone's iOS updated to the latest version for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.